Hello students, let's do some more questions on vectors for your exams. Magnitude of vector A is given 10, magnitude of B is 2 and vector A dot vector B is 12. We have to find the magnitude of vector A cross vector B. बच्चे what is cos theta? Cos theta is vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B. Now cos theta is equals to A dot B is given 12 upon magnitude of A is 10 into 2. This is 2 6 are, 2 3 are, 2 5 are. Cos theta is 3 by 5. Now, बच्चे, if we have this right angle triangle and this angle is theta, what is cos theta? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5. ABC is a right angle triangle. What will be the value of AC as per Pythagoras theorem? BC square minus AB square. AC is 4. Now what will be the value of sin theta? Sin theta will be equals to 4 by 5. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Now sin theta equals to magnitude of vector A cross vector B upon magnitude of A into magnitude of vector B. Sin theta we have 4 by 5 equals to vector A cross vector B magnitude upon 10 into 2. Now vector A cross vector B magnitude is 4 by 5 into 20. 5 4s are. Our answer is 16. Magnitude of vector A cross vector B is 16. Given vector AB is 3i cap minus j cap minus 5k cap and coordinates of B are given. We have to find the coordinates of A. What will be the position vector of B? The coordinates of B are 0, 1 and 3. The position vector of B will be 0i cap plus 1j cap plus 3k cap. Now, what is vector AB? Vector AB can be written as position vector of B minus position vector of A. Vector AB is 3i cap minus j cap minus 5k cap equals to position vector of B is 0i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap minus position vector of A. What will be the position vector of A? Position vector of A will be j cap. We are not writing 0i cap. 0i cap is 0. J cap plus 3k cap minus 3i cap minus j cap minus 5k cap. This is j cap plus 3k cap minus 3i cap plus j cap and plus 5k cap. We have minus sign outside the bracket. The sign inside the bracket will change. 3i cap, j cap plus j cap, 2j cap plus 8k cap. This is position vector of A. What we have to find? We have to find the coordinates of A. Therefore, the coordinates of A will be minus 3, 2 and 8. The vector cos alpha cos beta I cap plus cos alpha sin beta j cap plus sin alpha k cap is 4 options are given. Whether it is a null vector, unit vector, constant vector or none. First what we will do? First we will find the magnitude of this vector. Let we have vector A as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. What is the magnitude of this vector? The magnitude of vector will be x square plus y square plus z square whole under root. Let this is vector B. What will be the magnitude of vector B? It is cos square alpha cos square beta plus cos square alpha sin square beta plus sin square alpha whole under root. Now take these two terms. What is common? Cos square alpha is common. Cos square alpha. What is left hand side cos square beta plus sin square beta plus sin square alpha. And what is cos square beta plus sin square beta? Equals to 1. Now we have cos square alpha into 1 is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. And what is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha? Equals to 1. And what is root 1? 1. So the magnitude of our vector is 1. Therefore, it is a unit vector. A vector with magnitude 1 is a unit vector. If 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 27k cap cross I cap plus pj cap plus qk cap is 0 vector. We have two vectors and the cross product is 0 vector. We have to find the value of p and q. First we will find the cross product. I cap, j cap, k cap. Component of I is 2, 6, 27. Here we have 1, p and q. And this is equals to 0 vector. What is 0 vector? 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. Now this is I cap 6 into q, 6q minus 27p minus j cap 2 into q, 2q minus 27 plus k cap we have 2p minus 6 and this is equals to 0 vector 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. Now on equating I with I, j with j and k with k, first we are taking, we have minus 2q plus 27 equals to 0. 2q equals to 27 and what is the value of q? 27 by 2. On taking this, 2p minus 6 equals to 0. 2p equals to 6 and the value of p is 3. We have p 3 and q 27 by 2. Now if we equate I cap, what will we get? 6q minus 27p equals to 0. Now we will put these values which we have taken out. 6 into q is 27 by 2 minus 27 into p is 3. Is this equals to 0? 2 3s are 0. 3 into 27 minus 27 into 3 is equals to 0. Therefore, our answer is correct. P3 and Q is 27 by 2. We have verified our answer. Find vector of magnitude 5 units and in the direction opposite to vector 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap. Let we have vector A as 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap. We have to find the vector of magnitude 5 units. First what we will do, we will find a unit vector A and unit vector A is vector A upon magnitude of vector A. This is 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap upon magnitude is 2 whole square plus 3 whole square plus minus 6 whole square. We get 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap upon under root 4 plus 9 plus 36 which is equals to 49 and root 49 is 7. Now a cap is 2i cap 2 upon 7i cap plus 3 upon 7 j cap minus 6 upon 7 k cap. This is a vector with magnitude 1 but we need vector with magnitude 5. Therefore, vector with magnitude 5 will be 5 into 2 by 7 I cap plus 3 by 7 j cap minus 6 by 7 k cap. But we need vector in opposite direction of this vector. Therefore, our required vector will be vector opposite to this vector in opposite direction. We will have 5. The signs of the vector will change. Minus 2 by 7 I cap, minus 3 by 7 j cap, plus 6 by 7 k cap. This is the required one. Find the projection of line joining 2 points. Let this is point A and this is point B. On the line joining another 2 points, let C and D. We have point A as 3, 4 and 5 and point B as 4, 6 and 3. A line joining point A and B will be vector AB. And what is vector AB? Position vector of B minus position vector of A. We have 4 minus 3 I cap plus 6 minus 4 J cap plus 3 minus 5 K cap. So our vector AB is I cap plus 2 J cap minus 2 K cap. This is vector AB. We have to find the projection of this vector AB on the line joining CD. And what will be vector CD? CD will be position vector of D minus position vector of C. C point is minus 1, 2 and 4 and point D is 1, 0 and 5. Vector CD will be 1 minus minus 1, that is plus I cap plus 0 minus 2 J cap plus 5 minus 4 K cap. This is 2 I cap minus 2 J cap plus K cap. This is vector CD. Now what we have to find? We have to find the projection of vector AB on vector CD. बच्चे pause the video and note it down. Projection of AB vector on CD vector will be vector AB dot vector CD upon magnitude of vector CD. AB dot CD, we have I cap plus 2 J cap minus 2 K cap dot 2 I cap minus 2 J cap plus K cap upon magnitude of CD is root 2 square plus minus 2 whole square plus 1 का whole square. Dot product I dot I is 1, I dot J 0, I dot K 0. Now component of I is 1, 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus minus 2 into 1, minus 2 upon root 4 plus 4 plus 1. We have minus 4, minus 2 and plus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled. We have minus 4 by root 9 is 3. This is the projection of vector AB on vector CD. Find the value of alpha such that two vectors, vector A and vector B are given are orthogonal. What is orthogonal? Vector A is perpendicular to vector B. The angle between these two vectors is 90 degrees. If two vectors are perpendicular, what does this mean? Their dot product is 0. We have vector A 2 I cap plus alpha j cap plus k cap dot vector B is I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap, and this is equals to 0. I dot I 1, I dot j 0, I dot k 0. 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into alpha 2 alpha plus 1 into 3 equals to 0. 2 alpha equals to minus 5, and what is alpha? Minus 5 by 2. Find angle between two vectors A and B with magnitude root 3 and root 4 respectively, and vector A dot vector B is 2 root 3. We have given it two vectors. The magnitude of vector A is given root 3, magnitude of vector B is 4, and vector A dot vector B is given 2 root 3. We have to find the angle between these two vectors. What is cos theta? Vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B. So cos theta will be 2 root 3 upon root 3 into 4. We have 1 by 2. And what is cos theta is 1 by 2 at theta equals to 60 degree, that is pi by 3. Cos 60 degree or cos pi by 3 is equals to 1 by 2. If a vector makes angles alpha, beta and gamma with x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, we have to find the value of sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma. But a vector makes angle with x-axis can be written as cos alpha. Angle with y-axis, angle with x-axis is cos alpha. Angle with y-axis is cos beta. And angle with z-axis is, we have cos gamma. And we denote angle with x-axis as L, angle with y-axis as M, and angle with z-axis as N. And we know L square plus M square plus N square is equals to 1. What is L? Cos alpha. We have cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equals to 1. We have to find the value of sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma. We know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. In place of cos square theta, but we can write 1 minus sine square theta. In place of cos square alpha, we can write 1 minus sine square alpha plus cos square beta can be written as 1 minus sine square beta plus 1 minus sine square gamma, and this is equals to 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. We have 3 minus sign outside. Inside we have sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma, and this is equals to 1. Taking this whole bracket in the right hand side and 1 on the left hand side, 3 minus 1 equals to sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma. Therefore, our answer is 2. The value of sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma is 3 minus 1, 2. What is the angle which vector I cap plus j cap plus root 2 k cap make with z axis? We have vector A as I cap plus j cap plus root 2 k cap. What are the direction ratios of vector A? The direction ratios of vector A are 1, 1 and root 2 components of I cap, j cap and k cap. Now, if we change it into a unit vector, that is A cap is vector A upon magnitude of vector A. This is unit vector A. This is I cap plus j cap plus root 2 k cap upon under root 1 square plus 1 square plus root 2 whole square. 1 plus 1 plus 2. Root 4 is 2. We have I cap plus j cap plus root 2 k cap upon 2. This can be written as 1 by 2 I cap plus 1 by 2 j cap plus root 2 upon 2. 1 by root 2 k cap. Now, these are direction cosines. Component of I cap is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 and 1 by root 2. We have to find the angle which the vector makes with z-axis. This is 1 by 2 direction cosine of with x-axis. Direction cosine with y-axis is 1 by 2 and with z-axis 1 by root 2. Therefore, the vector makes angle with z-axis is let cos theta, and which is equals to 1 by root 2 angle with z-axis. And what will be the value of theta? Theta will be equals to pi by 4 or 45 degree is the angle which this vector makes with z-axis.